Hi everybody, here's some news about the project. Recently I have created a Patreon page to make the project more sustainable. I would use the money to buy more books, to pay for documents and images digitization, or to pay some of my expenses for trips abroad, to visit museums in Italy and, for example, in Switzerland with my collaborator Julian Ronneberger. And so if you want, you can subscribe. It's just some euros a month, like €2, or if you want to give more, of course, is welcomed. And the aim of this is going on with the research. So we are not proposing ourselves, I and Julian, as actual content creator, but the idea is more of letting us doing the hard work of research that, of course, requires some money. In exchange, we will publish like once in a month some of the insight about the research and the content we are working on. And the main goal remains publishing the book. So some of you know that there is a book on which I have worked on a lot over the last years. It is a big project, of course. We're talking about really hundreds of pages, like probably more than 400 pages about research on greatswords of any kind. So many information about Iberian Montante, about Italian Spadone, German Schlagschwert, and many other interesting things. So we are not content creator. We want to publish a really source-rich book, something important even from the academical point of view. And in order to make this, we need to keep going on with writing, with analyzing sources, analyzing data, making a lot of work that most of the time is something behind the scene, is something that requires its time. And as long as this project is not my main job, is not Julian's main job, we do not have so much time in order to work for a living, work on the project, and produce a lot of content for the internet. And this is why most of the time we're publishing just a tiny bit of what we are really working on. But this is important because, of course, something is publishing content on the internet, and something different is having a big important project of book publishing of this level of quality we want to get. So if you want to contribute, Patreon right now is the right way to do so. And really just some euros per month is not much, honestly. And you will have some insight about what is going on. As one of our first steps, in order to make it clearer what we're doing, is publishing a public roadmap of the project. The roadmap is divided between what has been done over the last years and publishing what we would like to make next year, so 2025. What our calendar has written in it. So you can check the link in the description along with the link of the Patreon page. And if you're subscribing, thank you, really appreciate it. Otherwise, you can, of course, waiting for the book to be finished, and maybe following the Instagram page or the Facebook page, or even YouTube, probably in the future. If time lets us, we will have some more videos. So it's a good way, easy way to get updated about this interesting project. So for now, I think is all. Thank you, and we see next time with something new about maybe some archive piece, specimen, or some little snippets from a document, or interesting source from a historical book. Bye.